90% of beginners don't fail at dropshipping. They quit right before it works. And the number one reason is they chasing the wrong product instead of the winning one. So stick around because I'm about to show you how to find winning products every time. So are you excited? Let's get started. Before we get started, I want to let you know that I'm going to use my best number one dropshipping supplier, which is the Fulfillman.com. There are several reasons to choose Fulfillman.com. If you perform a Google search for dropshipping supplier in 2026, you'll find several dropshipping companies out there, but unfortunately, a handful of them are the best. Later in this video, I'm going to show you guys why Fulfillment stands out above other dropshipping suppliers. Before we get started, let's understand this. Dropshipping is a real business, not a magic money machine. Most beginners quit dropshipping not because of the model is dead, they quit because they expect instant results. They launch a store, they run ad for a few days, when they see no sale, they assume this is a totally scam. The truth is, dropshipping only fails when the fundamentals are totally skipped, expectations are unrealistic, and emotion-controlled decisions. Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys why beginners quit dropshipping too early and how you can avoid those same mistakes so that you can start a profitable dropshipping business right away. So make sure don't skip any single part of this video because every step is most crucial. Like I said, to run a profitable dropshipping business, you must follow the following rules. Niche research, find the right supplier, which I already found for you, Fulfillment.com. Product research, website design, and finally the product promotion. If you're new to dropshipping or confused about how to find or choose the right niche or product, in this part of this video, I'm gonna save the months of your confusion and time. So make sure to watch this before you start anything. Whenever I start a new dropshipping business, I never guess the niche. I start with the real research and small tests. First, check the real demand using Google Trends. Google Trends is a completely free tool. For example, if I see any item advertised on social media like a beauty product or car accessory, I don't jump blindly on that niche. I check things like, is the demand actually growing? Is the interest stable or dying? Are people searching for it consistently? This one step alone helps me to skip the dead niches and focus on the product that people are actually buying currently. If you're choosing the product without checking the product demand or supplier quality, you are setting up to yourself to failure. So make sure to check the real demand using Google Trends. After the niche research, I never skip the keyword research. I use the keyword tools like 𝗖𝗵𝗲𝗀, Moz, Ahrefs, SimilarWeb, and any other alternative to check the people's real demand and the competition behind it. Once the demand is confirmed, I move to the next step, which is the find the right supplier. Since I already found one for you, Fulfillment.com, you don't have to go to internet to find the best supplier. Like I mentioned before, if you perform a Google search for dropshipping supplier, you'll find several dropshipping companies out there. But I choose Fulfillment for several reasons like fast shipping, high quality product, excellent customer support. When picking a dropshipping supplier, the shipping speed is my number one priority. Fulfillment has their own private shipping line, which ship the product 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy and Spain, 3 to 5 days to UK and France. This is exactly how you build a profitable dropshipping business the smart way, with the data, real demand, and the supplier you can trust. Let's say if your store shows a longer delivery time on the product page, your customer won't think twice, they leave it without buying it. Faster delivery isn't optional anymore, it's a deal breaker. And the product quality matters just as much as the speed. And for that, Fulfillment has their own warehouses in China where they keep the product in excellent condition for customer satisfaction. And if you have a fast-selling product or winning product, you can store your inventory into their warehouse for free to speed up the processing time. Whenever you get a new order, Fulfillment ship the product with their own private line. Delivery is faster and more reliable. You can also add a custom branding like your logo on the package, flyers, business card, custom boxes, and much more. And this makes you look like a real brand, not a random dropshipping site. And if we talk about the customer support, it will save you time and your headache. If the product is damaged, you will get refunded. If the wrong product sent, they will resend it for free. And if shipment lost, They will resend it or refund it at no cost. And if customer wants to return the item, no worry, Fulfillment can handle for you. If somehow your customer is angry, you don't have to deal with the angry customer, they do. Fulfillment can seamlessly integrate with any of your favorite e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and much more. Fulfillment also offers a product photography service to boost up your conversion rate. And they save me hours of work of weeks, so I can focus only on optimizing or scaling my ad campaigns instead of working on my landing page. You can also follow the Fulfillment.com on their social media profiles like Facebook, Instagram, and you can also subscribe to their YouTube channel where they create amazing content. Once your niche, supplier, and product are locked in, the next step is to build your website. If you want to learn how to build a website with Shopify or WooCommerce, you can check out my YouTube channel. I have already created few videos on that topic. Since website design is a long process, I cannot cover that part in this video. Once you're done with everything, like you're done with the niche research, you found the right supplier, which is the Fulfillment.com, and you lock your product, and of course, finally you build your website. Now it's time to promote your product. If you just launch your new store and want quick result, use Facebook ads. Start by creating a Facebook ad manager account, verify your domain, add pixel to it if you want to track the user behavior or your customer behavior on your site. Also create a Facebook page and Instagram account as well. So set up the conversion ad campaign. I usually create 3 ad sets with a minimum budget of $5 to $10 each, and each ad set should contain different audience. In this video, I'm gonna give you an overall overview of Facebook ads, how you create Facebook ads. But if you want to learn a fully detailed Facebook ads, soon I'll create a full dedicated videos on Facebook ads for dropshipping. So make sure subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss it. But here's the basic rule that I follow to get the best results.
On the first day, if I get at least 1 click, I let it run for the next day, and if I don't get any click on day first, I stop the campaign and change the target audience and interest. On the second day, I must have 1 add to cart. If I get it, I let it run for the next day. If I don't get any add to cart, I stop the campaign and start with the day 1, where I need 1 click on a day first. At this point, if I don't get any click, then I consider it non-profitable product. Now let's say on the second day, you got 1 add to cart and you let it run for third day. Now on third day, you must need 1 purchase. If you get the purchase on day 3rd, then let it run until you don't get any purchase.
So that's it. That's all for today's video. If you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.